gonna get in a whole bunch of trouble. I don't know what it is yet. Angel's the only one who's done this before, so hopefully he's gonna get us into a few fun situations, but not have us split.
Yo, Angel, you want to tell us about what you're driving today?
16 Rubicon, and I bought it stock and just built it up as I break stuff.
Now I noticed you got some pretty expensive lights on there. What kind of lights did you go with?
They're the rigid little cubes, and then there's a rigid 20 light bar and a 50 light bar on top. Buy them on Christmas because they come on sale when they get that 12 days of Christmas. That's when I get my stuff.
Yeah, hey, that's a good tip right there. So kind of tell me what you got going on with yours.
It's a 19 Ram 1500 with the off-road package.
Now it's the Laramie too, huh?
Yeah, it's a Laramie Sport. It's got pretty much every option on it. I wanted the ORP for the skid plates, so it's got full skid plates across. The Fabtech Stage II kit comes with a differential plate on top of that. Everything's Fabtech Stage II, Dirt Logic coilovers, and Dirt Logic in the rear as well.
Nice, man. In regards to your truck, what's the next thing that you're going to be doing, putting on it?
So, Trail Benders Overland, hopefully, is going to make me a rack in the back. Hopefully I can mount the rooftop tent on top of the bed so that it doesn't go above the roof line. That's the goal. We'll see if I can do it.
We just aired down, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a good, fun day, and yeah, we'll see you out there on the trail. There you go. Are you sure it's a sidewall? That sounds like a... Oh, no. Oh, my.
Okay.
Hey, we accidentally blew a tire. What do you think about that? No good? No. What'd you find? Trail gifts? This is how you patch a tire, baby. That's how you... Hopefully that tire holds air. If not, we have a spare. I want to get a photo of this. Crazy. Bro, that's gnarly. All right. Yeah. Oh, whoa. All right, you're good. There it goes. much just all these trails and these fingers and stuff like that, right?
Sound loud enough, it'll go all around.
I mean, I would say, and I would recommend when you're doing this trail to go with somebody. As you can see that we've already popped one tire. Make sure you carry a spare. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already considered subscribing, liking the video if you found it interesting, and then hit the bell because you'll be notified when we release more content and all that other good stuff. So anyways, it was fun meeting you, Angel, Chris. Ah.